Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking the very first actions. Install matching NVIDIA drivers, CUDA and cuDNN that align with your Tensorflow build. Once done, create and activate a Python virtual environment. Then install Tensorflow with GPU support using pip or conda and immediately run a quick check. Import Tensorflow as TF and call TF. Config. List physical devices, GPU to confirm detection. If the GPU is not listed, stop and check driver CUDA compatibility before proceeding. Now you configure Tensorflow and optimize the training loop so the GPU is fully utilized. First, set memory growth on detected GPUs or cap per process memory to avoid OOM. Make sure tensors are placed on GPU by using TF, device, or letting Keras handle placement. Then build efficient input pipelines with TF, data, using prefetch and parallel map to remove CPU bottlenecks. Once those are in place, enable mixed precision for compatible models to increase throughput. Monitor utilization with NVIDIA ensthy to validate improvements. Finally, run a short training pass to validate everything is wired correctly and to measure throughput. You want to see high GPU utilization and steady memory usage. Use NVIDIA ensthy for live metrics and TensorBoard for training graphs. Make sure steps per second match expectations. If problems appear, first make sure drivers and CUDA/cuDNN match the TensorFlow binary. Then inspect your Python environment and installed packages. If you hit OOM or instability, reduce batch size or temporarily disable mixed precision while debugging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.